Hi, I'm Gigi and welcome to my channel. Once again, I am so honored to be co-hosting our beloved Grandma Sandy for this Garden Fairy Open Collaboration Challenge. So guys, those who have not connected to Grandma Sandy, please go and visit her channel because she does amazing videos. Another co-host with this challenge is Miss Belessa from the Back Eye Girls Wreaths and Things. Those who have not connected to our beautiful friend Miss Melissa, please go and visit her channel because I will put it down into my description box. With that said, let's start our fairy garden. As you can see guys, I made this garden inside my house because I supposed to do it today, but it was raining so hard. So I have no choice but to find a way to make my fairy garden. So guys, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? This is made of faux grass from my top. I cut my top guys because I don't have any other way but to make my garden. And this is, ladies and gentlemen, Toad's house. Isn't that pretty? And look at that, they're showing off their house. No, actually they're supposed to go out for surfing, but I told them that we are going to visit them today, so they just hang around and trying to welcome us. And as you can see, look at that. That baby fairy is so cute, and she, look at them. See, they are so cute and they are so well behaved. They are watching those people that gonna come, and they might pick onto those berries. And look at Miss Froggy. She is so adorable with her umbrella. And of course, our star of the day, our fairy lady. She is beautiful guys. Actually, all these fairies guys are made of ceramic, and the other one is porcelain. Okay, so they are breakable actually. And look at this, and they cute. And by the way guys, how do you call this animal? Is this a lizard? I know this is kind of lizard, but I don't know the name of it. Is it iguana or something like that? Please comment down below if you know the name of this, because I'm trying to find it, but I really don't know the name or couldn't find the name of this. But anyway, I just made this garden as I told you earlier, and my gate is made of wreath. I cut this in the middle and then I glue it onto the side, and as you can see, I put some little stones so that it makes as my pathway to go inside the Toad's house. Okay, and I just put all those plants to make it looks like a real fairy or jungle. Okay, as you can see that guys, I'm actually quite pleased with the outcome, though I didn't really have that much time. It's a rush, and but I found it quite pretty actually. I'm really happy with the outcome. And as you can see, the fence is made of cardboard box. I supposed to paint it, but I didn't have that much time guys, so I apologize. Maybe I'll make a better one next time, but it looks like wood, so I just kept it that way. Anyway, like what I said, I can't ask for more. It's really, I found it really pretty, the outcome, though I didn't really have plan, but it just came out quite pretty. I'm quite pleased with the outcome really. I don't know, maybe it's because it's my garden. And as you can see guys, the umbrella of Miss Froggy has a ladybug, as you can see. Isn't that cute? It's my first time. Actually, the reason why I bought this one is because of the umbrella with that ladybug on it. It's really cute. I find it really cute. And there's that Mr. Bear on there, and there's another baby fairy. See, so cute. I found them so cute. That's why I bought them. I got 10 pieces of this, but I don't want to overdo my garden, so I just put 3 and 4 with our fairy lady. She's so cute. Look at the details of the fairy lady, guys. It's really really beautiful. So this is the whole um, look of our garden. It's really pretty, this Toad's house, isn't it? And with the grass, it really makes it real. I am so really pleased with the outcome, guys. Look at that. The grass looks like it's real. You see? I'm quite surprised with the outcome with this garden. Really, guys. You see, this is just made of cardboard box. I just remove one part and then cut it off and then fold it and glue gun it, and that's it. I have my garden. And then this one in front, I just try to cut it like a real fence, and that's it. Anyway, once again, guys, thank you so much for watching and for your support. God bless and stay safe. Bye.